Alright, so this is a second example to show you how to take input from the user when you're writing a Python program. So as before, I need to open again a terminal, and I have a shortcut here to the terminal. Remember that you can get it through your application under utilities. And I want to work again, so I want to change my directory to desktop /cpsc, and I can hit the tab key and it will complete for me, so that means I don't have so many typos. And I hit the enter key, and if you remember, if I can do an ls, there is hello.py. Alright, I also want to open the text editor, and I want to open hello.py again. Alright, so I have my program open, I have my terminal open, and as I said, I want to be able to take some input from the user. Alright, so I'm going to add a new line at the beginning. I want to take input, and I want to let the user know what kind of input I'm looking for. So enter your name, for example. Alright, I'm going to save this. I hold the control key, hit the S, and I want to go to the terminal, and I want to run this updated Python program. So Python 3 hello.py. And notice that it's printing enter your name, and then it stops. The cursor is just sitting there at the end, and it's waiting for me to enter my name. It will just wait and wait and wait and wait until I finally do so, and it doesn't get to the second line of code until I have actually entered something. Alright, so I'll enter my name, and it's still waiting and waiting and waiting. The way that I indicate that I'm done is hitting the return key. And then it did the other two lines of code. Alright, now it's great that I've taken this input, but I'm not doing anything with the input. So if I actually want to do something with the input, I have to remember what the user has entered. And the way I remember is by putting it inside of a variable. So the variable, it has to have a name. I'll give it name is equal to whatever the user input. Notice that there's no quotation marks around that. And I can print what is inside of name. Now notice that I didn't put quotation marks around here. Okay, if I were to do this, it would actually print the string name. It wouldn't print whatever is sitting stored in there. So I don't want the quotation marks. I want to print what is sitting inside of the variable name. Alright, so I hold down the control key and hit the S to save. I hit the command key, I hold it down, and I hit tab so that it shows me all the applications running. The less you use your mouse too, but the less you use your mouth, the quicker the quicker it will go. Alright, so using my up arrow key, I have the last command that I entered, and again asks me to enter my name, and then it echoes back to me my name. Alright, one more update that I want to do, command key and tab. Instead of just printing my name, I want to say hello, and then my name, and you know what, I don't want to print these anymore, so I'm going to delete these two lines of code. Hold down the control key and the S, hold down the command key and tab, and I'm going to do an up arrow key to get to the last command again. I'm going to enter my name, and it will echo back to me, hello Natalie. Right, so a basic example on creating a Python program that takes some input from the user.